When Australia joined Britain in the war against Germany in 1939, Melbourne's exhibition buildings were commandeered as a barracks and training facility for the RAAF and Women's Auxiliary Australian Air Force. But it wasn't until restoration works 40 years later uncovered over 270 objects under the floorboards that the unofficial story of life in the exhibition buildings came to light. Equipped with its own post office, letters between family, friends and lovers formed a large part of the items discovered.
The kindly old post office used to say, "Have you written to your mum today?"
My dear Howard, what do you think of the war? Getting very close to our shores, isn't it?
My dear Roy, how are you, dear, after last night? I hope you enjoyed yourself, because I did.
Although we'll never know what motivated Royce Phillips, Howard Kelleher, and others to conceal personal letters under the floorboards of the exhibition buildings, their discovery reveals that wars are not won by extraordinary heroes, but by ordinary men and women, simply answering a call to duty.